Welcome to the CAD school. This is Prashant Pawar, CAD consultant. Here we are going to draft the third drawing. In this drawing, there are dimensions 80, 120 and radius 12. With the help of these dimensions, we are going to draft the outer profile of the drawing and later the circles inside. So to begin with the drawing, we are going to select ray from draw. Ray is an infinite line on one side. Go to modify, select offset to draw parallel line at distance 120. Again repeat offset, specify the distance 80. Now we are going to draw the circle tangent to the line by using TTR. So go to draw, circle, TTR, specify the tangent space and then specify the radius, that is 12. Again repeat for the next circles that are tangential to the lines. Now to remove the unwanted portion of lines and circles, we are going to use trim, but here we are going to use some different method of selection. Since there are 4 circles, these circles are the cutting edges for removing these portion of lines. So I will select one of the circle, then select similar. This is pre-selection of the cutting edges. So go to modify, select trim and then remove the unwanted portion of lines. Now the same way to remove the portion of the circles, I will be selecting the lines as the cutting edges. So again for pre-selection of cutting edges, select one of the lines in the drawing, right click, select similar, go to modify, select trim and with the help of crossing selection we are going to remove the unwanted portion of the circles. So for crossing selection, select one of the point, release the button, drag and again select the point. It will remove the unwanted portion of circles. Now we are going to draw the circle of diameter 12. So for that I will go to draw, circle, center diameter. Now to locate the center point of the circle diameter 12, I will be using object snap toolbar. So from object snap toolbar I will select snap to center. For locating the center point, I will be selecting the circumference of the circle and then mention the diameter, that is 12. Again repeat. For snap to center, I will select from the object snap toolbar and just enter. Again repeat. Snap to center, enter. Then for drawing the circles of diameter 40, 45, 55 and 60, I will offset the line by 75. Since there is no reference in between the center of the circles, I have added radius 12 in 63, that is 75. Then again go to modify or offset. The next distance is 40, half of 80. So here we have got the center point of the circles. To draw the circle, go to draw circle, center diameter. To locate the center point, I will be selecting snap to intersection from the object snap toolbar. Mention the diameter, that is 40. Now instead of drawing the circles, I will use offset since the circles are concentric. So the distance between the circumference is 2.5. The next distance the next gap is of 5. All dimensions are in millimeters in the drawing. Select the lines, unwanted lines, and erase. So this is how we have drafted the drawing. Keep practicing. Thank you.